12.1 Seventh problem. The price of three commodities X, Y, Z are small x, small y, small z. Mr. Anand purchases 6 units of Z, sells 2 units of X and 3 units of Y. Mr. Amar purchases a unit. It means 1 unit. 1 unit of Y and sells 3 units of X and 2 units of Z. Mr. Amit purchases a unit. 1 unit of X and sells 3 units of Y and a unit of Z. A unit means 1 unit. 1 unit of Z. In the process, they earn rupees 5,000, rupees 2,000, rupees 5,500 respectively. Find the prices per unit of 3 commodities by rank method. So we write the given data as a table. 3 persons are there, 3 commodities are there. Mr. Anand, he sells 2 units of X and he sells 3 units of Y and purchases 6 units of Z. See, purchases 6 units of Z, sells 2 units of X, 3 units of Y. Mr. Amar, he sells 3 units of X, purchases 1 unit of Y, sells 2 units of Z. Mr. Amit, he purchases 1 unit of X, sells 3 units of Y, sells 1 unit of Z. Here selling means we are getting some money, so we take positive sign. Purchase means we are giving out the money, so we use minus sign. We frame the equation. He sells. Sells means positive, so 2x. Selling means positive, so 3y. Purchase means we are giving out some money, so minus 6z. In this transaction, he gets rupees 5,000. He earns rupees 5,000. Forming an equation is important. Others are very simple. Selling plus, so 3x, purchase minus, so minus 1y plus 2z equal to 2,000. Purchase minus, so minus 1x plus 3y plus he sells 1 unit. 1z equal to 5,500. So read the question carefully and put it in the table. What are the given factors? Then form the equation. Now you have to solve x, y, z. Solve x, y, z using rank method. So to form the rank method, we are already done. We form the matrix A, that is 2, 3, minus 6, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3 and 1. Capital X and capital B. We frame the augmented matrix AB, A and B, augmented matrix. We know the 3 steps. If it is better if we have 1 here, we don't have 1. So what we will do, here we have 1, so we interchange R1 and R3. R3 has come to R1, R1 has goes to R3. Now we keep as minus 1 itself. So what we have to do, we want 3 here. If we have minus 3, if we add with the second row, it will become 0. So R2, I want 3 here, so R1 into 3. Different sign, so we add. So let us check R2. What is R2? R2 is 3 minus 1, 2, 2,000. R1 I have to multiply with 3. So it is minus 3, it is 9, it is 3. 3 if you multiply 15,000, 500 if you multiply with the 3, it is 1500. So 16,500. Okay. $16,500. We add both the answer. This becomes 0. This becomes 8. This becomes 5. This becomes 18,500. Always write and find the answer. Don't do it in air. Here, third row I have 2. I want 2 here. So first row I must multiply by 2. I have to add with the third row. If I multiply with the 2, I don't have place, so check. So 2 and minus 2, 0. If I multiply with 2, 6, 3 plus 3, 9. If I multiply with 2, it will become minus 4. If I multiply with 2, 10,000 and 11,000, I have to add with this, so 16,000. What I have to do next? I have to make this number 0 to make it into equivalent form. To make this number 0, I have to use R2. Just see the number before. Both are co-primes. They don't have any common element. So what I have to do? I have to multiply this with 8 and this with 9. 8 9s are 72, 9 8s are 72. So both becomes equal. So that is the way we do. 8 into R3 subtraction 9 into R2. So shall we do it here? 8 into R3. I have to multiply this with 8. So answer 0. If you multiply with 8, it is 72. If you multiply with this 8, it is minus 32. If you multiply this with 8, 3 zeros, 6 8s are 48. So 4, 8, 10, 12. Multiply this with 9. So it is 0. If you multiply with this 9, it is 72. If you multiply this with 9, it is 45. If you multiply this with 9, answer is 0, 0. 9 5s are 45, 4. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 4, 76. Remainder 7. So 9. So 16. I have to subtract. So answer is 0. Next one is 0. Both are same sign. So add. It is 77. So here it is 1,66,500. I have to subtract this one. So my answer is, check. Okay. See whether it is correct. So subtract and put the greater number side. So it is this is minus. So 0, 0, 5, 16 minus 8, 8, 5 minus 2, it is 4. 16, 5 minus 2, it is 3. I'm sorry. 0, 0, 5, borrowing 1, 16 minus 8, 8, 5 minus 2, 3. Greater number sign, so minus. So write, calculate, then write the answer here. Now we frame the equation. How to frame the equation? I have to write this in the form Ax equal to B. Minus 1x plus 3y plus 1z equal to 5,500. No x. 8y plus 5z equal to 18,500. No x, no y because it is in equivalent form. Minus 77 z equal to minus 3 lakh, not 38,500. 38,500. So is that equal to minus 38,500 divided by minus 77? Answer is 500. Substitute the value of z in the equation. 8y plus 500 means 500 into 5, it is 2,500 equal to 18,500. 8y equal to, you subtract this. So answer is 16,000. Y equal to 16,000, I have to divide by 8. So answer is 2,000. Good. From the first equation, take the first equation, minus 1x. Instead of y, 2,000. So it is 6,000. Instead of z, it is 500 equal to 5,500. Here it is 6,500. So minus 1x equal to 5,500 minus 6,500. It is minus 1,000. So x equal to 1,000. In the notes, please change this. The third equation, it is 38,500. I have written one more 0. So please change that. In the notes, you change this. We go to the next sum. Exercise 1.1, 8th sum. An amount rupees 5,000 is to be deposited in 3 different bonds, like banks. They give 6% interest, 7% interest and 8% interest respectively per year. Total annual income is rupees 358. If you add all the incomes from the 3 bonds, you get the income as 358. If the income from the first 2 investment is 70 rupees more than the income from the third, then find the amount invested in each of the bond using rank method. Solution. 3 bonds are there. Here I don't know. I'm investing here rupees amount X, amount Y, amount Z. Total amount is 5,000 they have given. So total, all 3 put together, it is 5,000. The interest rate what they have given is, here they give 6%, here they give say 7%, here they give 8%. The income what they get is 358. Then the first and second income. First 2 investment, the income from the first 2 investment, not the investment, the income from the first 2 investment is greater than the third income. By how much? It is 70. So this is greater. These 2 is greater than this. By how much? It is 70. Very simple. 5 is greater than 2 by 3. What is the meaning? 5 subtraction 2 is 3. 5 is greater than 2. Obvious, all of you know. By how much? 3. So 5 subtraction 2 is 3. So these 2 income subtraction third income is 70. They mean that. We form the equation. X plus y plus z equal to 5,000. First equation. For the amount X we get 6%. For amount Y we get 7%. For amount Z we get 8%. Total income is 358. 6x plus 7y plus 8z equal to multiply by 100. It is 35800. That is 35,800. Third, the income from the first and second subtraction third equal to 70. 6x by 100 plus 7y by 100 subtraction 8z by 100 equal to 70. Multiply by 100. 6x plus 7y minus 8z equal to 7,000. So 3 equations are formed. Already I told you, forming an equation is very important. For that you have to read the question 1 or 2 times. Once you form the equation, sum will be very, very simple. We have to solve this by rank method. Rank method means I want A. A means 1, 1, 1, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7 minus 8. It is 5,000, 35,800 and 7,000. Already I got 1. So these 2 I want 0. I have to use R1. This I multiply by 6, R2 subtraction 6R1, R3 subtraction 6R1. Okay, so answer is C, R2. 6, 7, 8, 35,800. Multiply by with 6, 6, 6, 6, 30,000. Subtract 0, 7 subtraction 6, 1, 8 subtraction 6, 2, 35,800 subtraction 35,000, so 5,800. Similarly, you do this also. The answer what you get is 0, 1 minus 14 minus 23,000. Next, I want this number to be 0. I have to see the number just above it in R2, 1. Only enough to subtract, no need to multiply by any other number. So R3 implies R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0, 0, 1 subtraction 1, 0, minus 14 minus 2 minus 16, minus 23,000 subtraction 5,800. So it is, check, $28,800. Write and do. Okay, it is an equivalent form. I have to frame the equation now. X plus y plus z equal to 5,000. No x. Y plus 2z equal to 5,800. No x, no y, minus 16z equal to this. First I will find z. This is the thing I have to do first. Z equal to minus 28,800 by minus 16, divide by the calculator, you get the answer to be 1,800. This is my second move. Y plus 2 into z, 2 into this is 3,600 equal to 5,800, subtract, so y answer I got. Third step is this, x plus y answer plus z answer equal to 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 here, 5,000 subtraction 4,000 is 1,000, so the values of x, y, z. So this much amount I have invested in first bond, this is second bond, and this is third bond. This is very important problem, so go through it. We just recall what is the meaning of consistent and its conditions. Consistent unique solution means all the three has to be equal. What are the three? Rank AB, rank A, number of unknowns. What is number of unknowns? X, Y and Z, three unknowns. All the three has to be equal. Consistent and infinitely many solution means rank of AB equal to rank of A. These two has to be equal, but it has to be less than number of unknown, less than 3. Less than 3. That is 2 or 1. Inconsistent means, another meaning for inconsistent, no solution. Rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. Let us take an example. I have given one 3 by 4 matrix in equivalent form. Rank of A, which is A? This is A. Rank of A is 3. AB is also 3. Number of unknowns is 3. All the three are equal, so consistent unique solution. Equivalent form. This is A. Rank of A is 2 because 0 rows. Last row is 0 row. Rank of A is 2. Rank of AB is 2, which is less than 3 number of unknowns. These two are equal but less than 3, so it is consistent infinitely many solution. Equivalent form. This is A. Rank of A is 2. Rank of A is 2. Rank of AB is 3. Not equal. So no solution. No solution. Okay. Now we go for the next sum. Exercise 1.1, sixth problem. For what values of the parameter lambda will the following equation fail to have unique solution? So you don't have unique solution. So what are the other solution? It may have infinitely many solution or no solution. infinitely many or no. I have to check. And check and find the value of lambda. Any one. It will be either infinitely many solution or it will be no solution. Find which is the correct answer. After finding the answer, find the value for lambda. So they have given 3 equations. Always check the constants or other side of the equal sign. You have to use the rank method, obvious. So A, they have given 3 sub minus 1 lambda, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2 minus lambda. This is the constant 1, 2 minus 1. AB. First term I want to be 1 so that the problem will be easy to solve. No other way. So I have taken the first term to be 1 by interchanging R1 and R3. So R3 has gone to R1. This is comes to R3. First number is 1. Very simple. Now R2, I want these two number. I must make it to 0 using the first row. So R2 subtraction 2R1. R3 implies R3 subtraction 3R1. Check the result now. R2. Which is R2 now? 2, 1, 1, 2. R1 multiply with 2. 2. 4. Minus 2 lambda. Minus 2. Subtraction means change the sign. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 4. 1 subtraction 4. It is minus 3. 1 plus 2 lambda, 2 plus 2, 4. Now R3. R3 is 3 minus 1 lambda 1. R1 I have to multiply with 3. 3, 6 minus 3 lambda minus 3. Subtract. 3 subtractions 3, 0. Minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Lambda plus 3 lambda, 4 lambda. 1 plus 3, 4. Now I must make this number 0. I have to look the number just before. It is minus 3. I want both the same number. So I will multiply this with 7. I will multiply this with 3. So 7 means minus 21. Here's 3 means minus 21. Then I can subtract and make this number 0. So now we will check. I have to put R3 implies 3 R3 subtraction 7 R2. So R3 I have to multiply with 3. Now tell me the answer. 0 minus 21, 12 lambda and 12. This I have to multiply with 7. 0 minus 21. I have to multiply these two terms with 7. 7 plus 14 lambda. If multiply with the 7, it is 28. Now change the sign. 0. This become plus, so 0. This become minus and minus. Minus 7. 12 lambda minus 14 lambda. It is minus 2 lambda. Minus 7 minus 14 lambda. 12 minus 7 as it is. 12 lambda minus 14 lambda is minus 2 lambda. 12 subtraction minus 28. Answer is minus 16. It is in equivalent form. Write and do. Now I have to frame this into given. It has no unique solution. So this system don't have unique solution. What is the meaning of unique solution? Rank of A equal to rank of AB. So for unique solution, this must not be equal to 0. But here it is no unique solution. So obviously this has to be 0. This has to be 0. So minus 7. So two categories, infinitely many solution or no solution. Compulsorily this has to be 0. If this is not equal to 0, it will be unique solution. They said it has no unique solution. So this has to be 0. So minus 7 equal to 2 lambda, minus 7 by 2 equal to lambda. So lambda is minus 2 by 7. So what is my last row becomes? This is 0. This is 0. This is 0. This is minus 16. Rank of A is 2. Rank of AB is 3. Both are not equal. So both are not equal means it has no solution. So this is not possible. So no solution for lambda equal to minus 7 by 2. So you have to know the rules thoroughly, then only you can solve the problem. For unique solution, this is not equal to 0. In the problem they have given, it has no unique solution. So compulsorily this has to be 0. If this becomes a 0, other number is minus 16. That is not, minus 16 is not equal to 0. Minus 16 is not equal to 0. So rank of A is 2, rank of AB is 3, not equal, so no solution. Exercise 1.1, fourth problem. Show that the equation 1, 2 and 3 are consistent. What is the meaning of consistent? Consistent, we have two types. What are the two types? Unique solution or infinitely many solution. We have to check and solve by rank method. So they have given 3 equations. I framed into 3 matrices. Now I am going to write augmented matrix. So first number I want to make it 1. So I am going to subtract R1 minus R2. 5 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 26, 7 minus 2, 4 minus 9. Okay. Now R1 interchanging R2. So this 3, 26, 2, 9 will come to the first row. 2 minus 23, 5 and minus 5 goes to the second row. Now one more time you subtract. Any method you can adapt, any method. Okay. R1 subtraction R2. 3 subtraction 2, it is 1. 26 plus 23, it is 49. 2 subtraction 5, it is minus 3. 9 plus 5, it is 14. So I got 1. After I am getting 1, what I have to do? I must make these two number 0 using the first row. So R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. I have to multiply with 2 and subtract. So answer, try, you will get this answer. R3 subtraction 7R1. Write and do, you will get this answer. Same in second row, all the element are multiple of 11. So number looks big. So I am going to divide R2 with R2 by 11. In R3 all the element are multiple of 31. So I am going to divide R3 by 31. So what it will become? 0. 11 into 11 is 11. So minus 11, 1 minus 3. Similarly. Now I must make this number 0 using R2. R3 subtraction R2. So answer is minus 11 plus 11 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 3 plus 3 0. So it is in equivalent form. Rank of A, this is A. Rank of A is last row is 0, so 2. Rank of AB is last row is 0, so 2. Both are equal, so consistent. But less than number of unknowns. Number of unknown is x, y, z, less than number of unknowns. So it has infinitely many solutions. So how to find out the infinitely many? Unique solution is very simple, you confirm. Same way we have to do, make into matrix, form the equation. How will you form the equation? X plus 49y minus 3z equal to 14. No x, minus 11y plus z equal to minus 3. But no other equation. I got only 2 equations. But 3 unknowns. I must find 3 values, but I have 2 equations only. So for that, what I have to do is, I will take z as k. Any real number, any number you take, I will take it as k. K belongs to R. R stands for any real number, any number you take. Okay, so z becomes k. So minus 11y equal to minus 3 minus k. Divide by minus 11. All are minus, so change the sign. So 11y equal to 3 plus k. Y equal to 3 plus k divided by 11. Now we will find out x. X plus 49 into, instead of y, 3 plus k divided by 11 minus, instead of z I will put k. To avoid the denominator, multiply by 11. So 11 into x. If you multiply by 11, 11 get cancelled. 3 plus k you multiply by 49. So 147 plus 49k multiply by 11. So minus 33k multiply by 11. You will get 154. 11x equal to 154 subtraction 147. These two, what it will become? 49k minus 33k means this is 7 and 16k. Plus 16k, when it comes here, it will become minus 16k. 154 minus 147, it is 7. Subtraction 16k divided by this 11. So I have found out x, I found out y, I have found out z. So it is consistent, it has infinitely many solutions. What is the meaning of infinitely many solutions? If you take k equal to 1, x will become 7 minus 16, so minus 9 by 11. K is 1, 4 by 11, z is 1. K equal to 0, x answer is 7 by 11, y answer is 3 by 11, z answer is 0, and so on. You can have any number of k, so infinitely many solutions will be there. So very simple. Go through this problem one more time. So homework is in miscellaneous problems, fourth sum. So try by yourself, read. I will send the notes now. Read again and again. If you have any doubt, you ask. One small correction was there. In which place it is? Here. What problem? In exercise 1.1, seventh problem, third equation. I have written one more zero, please change it. 38,500. I have written 3,85,000. So cut that.